Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Oh yeah, smell the food fun.
Freak, that natural. Tell them still.
Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we.
Okay, there we go. Talk.
Honey, I couldn't even get to the intro.
Let's get to the intro, girl. Come on, man. You talk sometime. You separate the thing for you, because there we go. All right, first lady, your mouth some more. There we go.
Today we have vegetable fried rice with some lemon pepper wings that I made in the air fryer.
First lady learning now.
I didn't burn it, guys. I did not burn it.
She burned it. I'll show y'all.
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you will like it because I love it. There we go.
All right, so we're gonna dig in, and I just listen to me.
I can't wait. This look good enough. The air fryer work. Yo, the air fryer working.
Yo, let me show them. Okay, you guys can take a bite. I'm in the giving room today.
Give them. Don't worry, I got the winning number.
I'm in the give. You got the winning number?
I got the winning numbers by my hand. I don't take the winning numbers off my hand for the Powerball and the Mega Million.
You guys see
Give
it?
it a spin, give it a spin.
Spin.
Yes.
Hold on, I don't want to drop it tonight. I don't want to drop it tonight. Come here, spin.
Air fryer ain't no joke.
Yo,
Yeah?
let me taste it.
Yo, when you're not used to something, man, wow. All right, let me give it. Since you get them that, let me give them some rice. Cause you get them chicken already, right? Yeah. Take some rice first, lady. Put your you good. Take your yeah. Take the rice, okay? Take your time, okay?
That is good.
Rice around the mouth. How it taste?
It is really good.
There you go.
So, I made some.
Tell them what you got going on here.
You can eat, my love.
Okay,
I made it for the whole family. And I don't really make lemon pepper chicken, but I just figured how hard can it be? I just season it like regular. I got some butter and some lemon pepper seasoning and tossed it in there. Now my daughter said she likes it. It's a little bit too zesty for her.
Ain't no zesty for me, come here and yum it.
So, I try not to put too much lemon pepper.
Cause lemon pepper sticking quick.
Your lemon pepper is strong. But it came out really good.
That's how you have sauce. It came out excellent.
Excellent. Vincent didn't tell me what he thinks yet. He's still eating it, so I can't give you guys the update on that one. Maybe tomorrow. But it tastes really good.
The air fryer work miracles, B.
The air fryer. I can't believe
how people come up with stuff like this, you
I
know?
don't know. Let me tell you something. While it was cooking, you should have seen us. Me, Vincent, and Timmy, because Richie wasn't home from work yet. We're looking at the air fryer like, wow.
Yeah.
Because my air fryer has a light. It's fancy, guys. It's fancy. Fancy. So you can see it. So I'm sitting there and I'm like, oh my gosh. It looked so good while it was frying. And the amount of oil or fat that came from the the chicken. That's so much food you have spilled.
Yeah, I mean, I like that little food, but let me see the sauce.
What sauce?
I know you're going to show them a clip of the air fryer. I thought you were going to do that. But air fryer bad though first lady.
Air fryer bad.
Don't follow. You don't want this.
Maybe, I don't know yet.
Put it on your side, please.
Okay.
But family, I ain't gonna lie. This is a go. First lady did good. Yeah, she did real good. Grace, we here. I'm not even gonna show you because you be trying me, son. Real talk.
I'm gonna try to make
What are you gonna try to make?
sweet chili wings. So I'm gonna try all different kind of wings. Okay? jerk wings, barbecue wings, hot and spicy wings. It's gonna be wings galore.
Sure.
Maybe we'll do a marathon, a whole week of different wings.
Would y'all like that? Let us know.
Let us know. That's a good idea.
Yeah, comment down. Let us know.
But it's not gonna be your typical wings. I'm gonna try to find and make something different. You understand?
You understand? I might put some RFC in there too, but I don't know yet. Yeah, I love the RFC too much. Yo.
You put a bone, honey. You put a bone. Look at this. Drop the mic.
I don't play around with chicken, son.
Yo.
Alright, let me take my time. Alright, let me sit down. Family, I'm tired. Been a long day. And I couldn't wait to come home. I have some of that air fryer chicken. Oh, you can have some of that. I gotta look at my chicken.
I might want your chicken.
I couldn't wait to come for some of the air fryer.
And I always tell you guys, oops.
I thought it was a dog, you know?
And the napkin, guys.
Yeah. Frighten me now? I said she's sitting there already and made no noise. Family. First day they gave you a bite, but I'm gonna give you a next piece of it. Yeah, take a piece. Look at that, just look at that. That air fryer. I'm going with things.
I always tell you guys, whenever you have leftover white rice, don't throw it away. Put it in a container and put it in your freezer. Not your fridge, your freezer.
Yes.
Because if it's in your fridge, it'll get stale.
Yes.
You put it in the freezer, and when you're ready for it, the night before or the morning of, just take it out and let it thaw out, you know, on the counter in like a little bowl. And that's the best rice to use for fried rice.
No cap. First lady, you gotta learn if you use the fried dough. I like how you learn it, huh?
Yeah, because you're telling people my business. That's the problem.
You could have used it before. You're a master, I know.
Monster, man.
We're gonna roast everything in there. First lady, not put no pig in that. Yeah. That match right there. No pork to that. No pork to the air fryer. It's good, right? Yo, it's like you don't want to fry that in the stove no more.
No, I cannot
You
believe.
said that too.
That's what I'm saying. I can't believe how good it came out.
It came out delicious.
And like I said, the amount of oil or fat that came off of the chicken. So if we were to fry the chicken, you're frying the chicken with oil, and then the chicken already has fat on it. So that's double fat. You know? Now the fat drips off of the chicken onto the tray, and you just have chicken, and it's a healthier version.
I've heard my RC now that no fat not come off of that.
But you should try it. What if it comes out really good, honey?
I'm gonna try a sample piece first. I'm on my RC now. I'm gonna try a little sample piece first.
Wow.
And the bone is this was a go. It's worth it. It's worth it. What do you think? How people come up with these inventions, son?
I have.
Don't talk yet. You know what I'm saying?
I gotta come out there.
You gotta come. When we get some more mucho dinero. Can't tell you that one yet, family.
I have my own stuff coming.
First, you got a thing coming, you know, you just gotta work, make sure, you know. Thing to existence. That's what they say?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I wanna know why your spoon coming closer and closer to my side and you have beer rice.
I parched your side off already. Good. I need some more, please. Some more sweet chilies.
Hold on.
Come back, done it, you know?
Let's see. Hold on. Do I have to the camera stopping now?
The vegetable rice is by the money.
That's what a little bit. Normally, Richie would say, you can have it, baby. Normally, Richie would say, oh, I don't care if you're making chicken. I want chicken in the rice too. I'm like, my gosh, that's so much chicken.
You're lucky if you ain't fried chicken or some fish I'm gonna fry with this. No, so I love the fried rice. I gotta have some meat on it. Yes.
Well, if I made chicken fried rice, you already have meat.
Still want some salmon on it. Family, we ask them how they doing.
Man, Richie's excited, guys.
Damn, the air fryer got me twisted, son.
It's in the camera, baby love.
What's in the camera? So let's see, they turn upside. That's how we get down, son. I want to stay upside down.
No one, all the food, they want to sit.
Yeah, so then you see the thing too.
You guys feel that? You guys feel that?
Yo. That was good. I ain't gonna lie, it is good.
Oh man.
I just want to keep using it. Yeah. Wow.
The lemon pepper tastes good. I think you have to dip it in like blue cheese or some kind of ranch.
I ain't got no problem with it, son. Oh no, that make it too much noise.
A beer nug or something like that.
Put it on your side, cause you don't have to spill it on your side. You have to turn it upside down. I ain't got no problem with it. If you want my chicken, you can have one.
Your teeth on the chicken already? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I'm supposed to have 4, and I only had 3. So your teeth won when you're parting the C.
Oh, I did. Or put on the chicken. Cause you had too much on your side. Right?
Nope.
Family ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Yes, it's good. It's that good till you suck in your finger. It is. Let me do my thing.
No, I'm good. That's my last one.
Okay. Let me enjoy. You gotta enjoy. What you mean?
It's good.
Even by Richie, why you gonna eat it like that? Like it's good like that. It is good. You know. Nice. I'm gonna eat swallow the bowl. Me swallow the bowl. The family won't judge me. They know. They don't judge me. They know. When it's time to eat, eat. Yeah. Alright, right, mister. You're looking at me like that for? What happened? I said I'm hungry, right? You believe me? I'm hungry, family. Long day.
He is hungry.
I'm hungry till my eyes look like I'm smoking
marijuana. Richie's always hungry. I'm not gonna fool you.
I'm always hungry?
Always.
Is that a bad thing? Why you couldn't tell me I had something on my side of my mouth? This is...
It came out good. Good.
You did real good, I ain't gonna lie. Good job.
Thank you, baby love.
For your first time?
First time. Well, more than the first time. I've gone into out of 4 or 5 times.
But on the ring, them man.
Yeah, man.
Oh. That's one saying no. Let me enjoy my food first.
Lemon pepper. It reminds me of what's it called?
What?
Wingstop.
Wingstop. You didn't even drink none of the juice. I made some more,
me.
but it's almost done. Oh.
Only water for me.
Water for you. Water for you, juice for me.
Yep.
I drink the juice for you.
I'm not really a juice person anyway. I do like the Coca-Cola and the ginger ale, but I have to stop that. Only water.
Family, again, we appreciate y'all and we appreciate those sweet comments. You know what I'm saying?
And for all the new family members, thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button.
Yes.
And for everyone who shared our videos, thank you so much for sharing our videos. We really appreciate it.
And thank you for the one that been watching and you have finally subscribed. And we appreciate that. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Come join the journey with us, man. Get to know. That's Shanice. This is Richie, aka Chatty Shanice.
We're on our way to 10,000.
Yeah, shit.
We're on our way to 5,000.
Yeah. Come watch the journey. Come sit down. We just talk, you feel me? We just talk.
That's all we do.
What you see is what you get.
We talk.
Talk, whatever comes. Exactly. You know what I'm saying? What you see is what you're gonna get. Let me say the sweet and sour again, please. That's of it. So if you like it, just subscribe.
You sure it's done now?
Done, no money.
You sure?
Done.
Alright.
We got our money worth.
I see.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You let me finish all my food before that. You can't be serious.
What I tell you about watching?
You can't be serious. You let me finish. Family, you see that? Family, for real now. Don't be on her side. Don't be biased. You see that? I had all the food over here. And look at this. She's still eating that. Don't worry. That's first lady. First lady don't want enough. She don't eat enough. Okay? Don't force my first lady to eat so much. Yeah. Right now, I'm the only one who can force first lady to eat enough. So y'all don't force my first lady to eat. I know. But then say, you need slow though.
Look here. Family, this is something I have to eat. I gotta enjoy my food.
The first day she's full, she's full. Okay?
The only time I try to hurry up and eat when I'm with Richie is if I'm eating seafood because that right there,
Yo.
you have to move fast with Richie because the man can yam fast too, you know?
You don't play. Yeah, no.
Yo.
Hey, yo, no, but one thing, with seafood, you don't play, so I mean, like, yo, she ain't done yet.
I'll be like this.
And she can go in there and like,
Seafood. Alright.
Hold on, family, let me get to it. Yes, I'm coming back to the food. I'm not leaving it. Hold on, let me give you the word of wisdom. Pastor Richie in the building. First lady, you ready? Family, you ready? Family, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you can get more time. Again, family, you didn't hear me? The one over there, I want over here. You make the one up here. Make sure you listen. Again, time is more valuable than money. Right? You can get more money, but you can't get more time.
That's so true.
Alright. You don't eat?
I still eat rice.
I can't believe that.
I don't watch mine.
I can't believe I took all your food up from your side and you still haven't done it for you. Yep. I got them word of wisdom, son.
That was a good one though.
Good one?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's good. Hope y'all like it too, you know? Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna do a word of wisdom, so.
I don't know how people don't like water. Don't like to drink water. I don't know. I think water is like the best thing ever.
You know something? Can I eat some more chicken?
Want more chicken?
I could have. Yeah, more?
No, chicken done.
Chicken done.
Because
I wouldn't have no more.
I'm chicken done because Richie come home and Richie sampled 3 chicken.
I don't know, I tell you, 2 chicken take.
3 chicken Richie sampled.
2 chicken take.
Okay.
Stop telling that, family.
And then to me I
chicken
sample a chicken. And then Vincent sample a chicken. Everybody has sample. And nobody now fried a chicken.
Maybe just say food good for come on camera.
It don't matter. Any food nice, you still gonna eat it.
I'm still gonna eat it. Family, food good or bad, I'm still gonna eat it. I don't care about that. Until the first day say food nasty later.
What?
First day never give me no nasty food. One thing first day, I told y'all before, you actually know, I told y'all a lot of times. Once first lady get a recipe for something or the blueprint, it's over. It tastes better than the people. Your blood, yo, oh my gosh. Yo, I'm looking at his family. You see how you do me? Why you do that to me? You let me talk. That's why I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna stop talking. You let me talk. And then she tell me, I know I had 2 chicken. I said, yo, all right, I just brushed down one. I got 1 more. And I'm getting ready to scrape. I look, I say, okay, I ain't gonna be talking no more like that. Y'all just try me, family. Make them of it fast.
Yo,
huh?
I bite a big piece to it.
Wait. I'm scraping. I say, yo, where's my chicken, son? Don't do that. I don't do that to you.
Oh, shoot.
That's messed up, family.
Yo, I get you all the time because you talk too much.
That's good. Thank you for telling me, and thank you for telling me, family, I talk too much now. Cause now I'm gonna finish my food before I talk.
Yeah? It ain't gonna work. I'm gonna still get you.
Yo, I'm looking like, yo, where's my chicken? It's all good, family. It's all good. First, you could have as much as whatever she wants. What do you need? Okay.
Oh,
What should I spice up?
That Grace? Ooh.
Yo, stop calling Grace name my youth. Grace a flap me now, man.
No.
Grace a tripping on
Grace hot sauce? Ain't no joke.
Grace
That shiggity has a spice to it.
Grace don't see me, but Grace gonna see me later.
It's gonna be too late.
It's gonna be too late, Grace.
You just charge them double.
Yeah, I'm gonna charge you double. And it happens too. You don't know me now, you gonna know me later.
Ooh.
Feel me? Simple. Alright. We shared with y'all. Like, subscribe, and if you're new, come join the greedy couple. You know what I'm saying? That's what you need to do. Okay? Appreciate y'all. Love all of y'all. First lady, talk to them.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Somebody said bye with all our food in your mouth to my youth.
Alright, boss. Take your call. Bye. If you're first lady, baddie me up. Bye.